Hi, this is Mr. Leishu, and today I'm going to show you how to use Snipping tool to copy and paste or attach as a file for photos. What is Snipping tool? Snipping tool is a feature on your computer that will let you take a photo of anything on your screen. You'll literally snip that photo from your screen. Today we're going to do 4 steps. We're going to add Snipping tool to your taskbar. We're going to add a folder for your photos. We're going to snip a photo. We're going to attach it as a file. Okay? So the assignment that I posted is a discussion, and I asked students to take a quiz, a confidence quiz, and post their score in the comments. Rather than just writing your score, which was a 71, I want you to actually show me proof. So this was a quiz you took, and you notice the score was a 71. Notice the date. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is add Snipping tool to our taskbar. You go down to the search bar at the bottom where your taskbar is. Start typing in Snipping tool. I only have to type in a couple letters before it comes up. If you remember from before, the best thing to do is right-click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. Notice it also says it here as well, Pin to Taskbar. Pinning to Taskbar means it'll stay on that bottom taskbar forever. So I'm going to click it either here or here. If you notice, it says, or the Snipping tool is pinned there. I'm going to ask you to pause the video now and put the Snipping tool onto your taskbar. Okay, welcome back. If you remember, the next step was to now add a folder for your photos. So we're going to go to our desktop. We're going to right-click anywhere on our desktop. We're going to press New, add a new folder. I might add the name Photos. So any photos that you take from the internet, you can put into this folder. If you want, inside the folder, you can right-click again, and you can create another folder inside here called Social Studies. Okay, so within this Photos folder, there's another folder called Social Studies. Okay, so at this point, I'd like you to pause and add a folder to your desktop called Photos. Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to use Snipping tool and actually take a photo of the picture or of the score. If I go back to the score, I want to take a photo of this. So I'm going to click on Snipping tool. When it opens, it looks like this. Okay. I'm going to click New because we're going to snip something new. And notice how your screen goes white and there's a little plus sign. You can start wherever you want and drag and add this box. And you notice whatever kind of comes into color, that's what will be snipped. Okay? So let's say I don't really need this much. It opens up. I don't want that. So I'm going to X out of here, not save it. We're going to try it again. So I'm going to click Snipping tool again, press New. And all I'm going to do is trace this box. A new window will pop up with the photo. You have 2 options. If you wanted to, you could right-click on it and copy. You can go over to some sort of file, right-click, and paste it, and there you have it. But today, we're going to actually attach it. So we're going to go back to the photo. We're going to go to File and do Save As. We're going to find that photo folder, which should be on your desktop. So I click on my desktop, and there's a folder for photos. I'm going to double-click, and I'm going to double-click into Social Studies. So I might, in the file name, write 9/21 for the date, and I might write Continence Test Score and save it. Okay, So if I go back to my desktop and open this folder, open the social studies folder, there is the score. There's a photo. This is a pretty lengthy process, so I'm going to ask you to pause, open Snipping tool, and practice snipping something and saving it to your folder. Please feel free to go back and rewind the video and watch this step again. We're going to move on now. Now that you've done the most complicated step, we're going to do the final step, which is posting this photo to the comments. So we're going to go back to the original discussion. Remember how you scored a 71 and I asked you for proof? 71% I wrote, but I'm going to also attach it. So I'm going to click on this button that says File. And when this opens, once again, I'm going to go to the desktop where I saved the photo, find the Photos folder, double-click on Social Studies, and find the picture that I need. I click on it and press Open. There you have it. So if I post, there it is. So students will be actually able, or I will be actually able to look at the photo and see what you scored. Okay, and that's it for today.